The equality operator can lead to some strange behavior in JavaScript. So for example, here we have a string value of 0 and a 0 with the use of an equality operator, which is true even though one is a string and one is a number. The strict equality operator is used to check if two values are equal and share the same type. The same type means in this one is that this is an integer and this is a string value. So as a general rule, this is the equality operator you should always use, which is pertaining to this one, the strict equality operator. Because with the strict equality operator, that has an example of a string value of 0 and an integer value of 0 becomes false, because while they might have the same value of 0, they are not the same type. Okay, we have to update the strict equality. Okay, so we have to update our equality operator to a strict equality operator, because using the strict equality operator is safer. Why? Because again, just as the example has given to us, if we have a string value of 0, the use of strict operator, this would become true because it checks if both are equal. They are true and they are equal because this is 0 and this is 0. But if you use a strict operator with a triple equal symbol, it does not check only the value, but it also checks the type. So this is false because even though the values are both 0, it is still false because the types are different. This is an integer and this is a string value. They are not meant to be. Ooh, bro got bars. So anyways, nice.